Layer sets are a way to quickly change the layers that are displayed and can be a significant productivity tool for design professionals. In Home Designer, you can turn on and off individual layers using the Layer Display Options tool. Controlling the display of these layers allows you to have a working view that is specific to the design elements you are working on. For example, if you're creating a floor plan, you would want the dimensions displayed, and if you're working on an interior design, you may want to turn off the dimensions and turn on your furnishings layer. Similar examples might include an electrical or framing view. Any specific view can be created by turning on and off the layers in Home Designer. Layer sets are available in Chief Architect and are a grouping of layers that allow you to quickly display specific views by simply changing the layer sets. In this example, when I switch from the floor plan layer set to the electrical layer set, several layers are turned on and off simply by changing the layer set itself. When I switch over to a kitchen and bath layer set, you see a similar result with specific layers being turned on, allowing you to focus on that design element. Layer sets also work in elevation and 3D views. Notice in this 3D view, when I switch the layer set to a view that includes landscaping, you now see all of those elements. Furthermore, the active layer display options can be opened and serve as a quick shortcut to turn individual layers on and off, such as this tree. Chief Architect allows you to also create new layers and layer sets to assist in your productivity.